Boxes of illegal vape products were seized by the NBI in an operation in Parañaque with concerns that young people may be the main target of these sales. 2 men were caught in the act transporting unauthorized items lacking proper approval from government agencies. Isaiah Mirafuentes narrates the story.
So itong mga dala niyo po na yung sasakyan ay mga unregulated and
Coral Wing.
The National Bureau of Investigation or NBI cornered this man beside well-known hotel in Parañaque. They were carrying a truck loaded with boxes of unregulated vape products. They were supposed to sell these vape products to a buyer they met online. The 2 men were arrested after being caught in the act transporting these illegal products.
Marami na kaming natanggap na reklamo tungkol dito. Unregulated, substandard. Kung yung regulated nga masama sa ating health, yung unregulated pa kaya, yung substandard pa kaya.
What's worse is that most of their customers might be young people.
Ayun ang isang napakalaking posibilidad. At base na rin sa impormasyon nga na nakalap natin during the debriefing, marami pang involved na mga kaidaran nila.
Over 3.3 million pesos worth of vape products were seized by the NBI from the suspects. The products had no tax stamps, which means they were not approved by the Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR and the Department of Trade and Industry or DTI. These were flavored vapes, all of which, according to the DTI, are illegal. Flavored vapes are believed to attract young people. The suspects sold these products online and their sales reached customers nationwide. The NBI is still determining the source of the contraband. Isaiah Mirafuentes from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.